Hey guys, my name is Gray and I'm here at Ironhorse Classics to give you guys a very special Christmas treat. Behind me is a 57 Chevy Belair with a 383 stroker motor in it. This thing is absolutely insane and it sounds incredible with that 383 stroker motor. It is a 383 blueprint stroker motor that Ironhorse puts in a lot of their cars nowadays. Pair that with an automatic overdrive transmission, you've got a really cool vehicle here. Now on the front, it's got that really classic Chevy look. You've got the bullet kind of airplane style fins here with the bullets down here as well and that chrome bumper. Moving further along the side, you have these classic retro looking wheels with the upgraded slotted rotor disc brakes. These add a little bit more stopping power because this is a big metal body with a big motor, so you need that extra stopping power. So one of the first things you should do on your older cars is upgrade the brakes, and Ironhorse Classics is a great place to do that. Moving along further on the side, you have these beautiful, very elegant, classic fin style looks that go all the way back with that Belair badging. Moving further back, you get this chrome bumper, again, very reminiscent of the time, very chrome, very elegant and shaped in a way that really catches your eye more than any other modern car, even in the 70s, 80s, 90s, all the way through today. You got these twin exhaust pipes so you really hear that stroker motor, and let me tell you, this thing is something to hear. This thing is such a beautiful sound. If you guys like V8s, this is your car. We've got some very dark limo tint on here so no one can see what you're doing in the back seat. Moving forward to the car, again, you got more of that chrome and very minor detailed badging that you don't see on many cars nowadays. This thing is just absolutely crazy and it's such a pleasure to be able to talk about this. But you guys don't want to hear me talk about it, you want to see it drive, so let's go ahead, have it drive by a couple times for you guys. Merry Christmas.